Are you thinking about insurance? At Aquin Financial Services, we do auto, life, home, health, and business. Again, we do auto, life, home, health, and business. At Aquin Financial Services, we protect your most valuable assets. Good morning, everyone. I'd like to say thank you all for, again, giving me the opportunity to be here with you today. Remember, the moment you log into this channel or seeing this live, you're technically going to be at Aquin Financial Services, where we talk about your finance. We talk about saving money and how to protect yourself when it comes to financial disparity. Again, this is Friends at Aquin Financial Services. We are here to help you protect your financial or your most valuable assets. Now, today, the subject is very plain and simple. We want to take a lot of time. We want to take too much of your time. So, before I move along, the subject we're going to cover today is the 7 reasons why you should look into your insurance coverage. 7 main reasons. Most of us nowadays go ahead and get a policy. Today, a couple of months ago, or a year ago, 2 years ago, we forget about it. We're good because the premium seems to be okay with you guys, but where in turns you could go ahead and check it out, go back and say, hey, this is the change that has happened, and I'd like to see if I can save myself some money. If you can save yourself $100 or $200 every year, think of it that way. I've been with my company for at least 5 years. I'm okay with it. If I'm able to save $100 or $150, when you do the math, you're saving money. So you could take that money and multiply it, make some more money with it, or help yourself or your family for the most part. So today, again, the 7 things that we're going to talk. The first thing that you should look into, if you had a policy for 6 months or a year ago, you just got married. Now, if you just got married, you want to look into your policy. So you can get a bond, you can get yourself the marriage discount, let's say not marriage discount, for couple discount or spouse discount. So once you got married, you didn't have the policy before you had the policy prior to marriage, now you're married, you can get your spouse discount for having 2 people in the same policy. The second one, if you just had a baby, some people had it, they didn't have a baby, now that they have a baby. Now that one is especially when it comes to a life insurance. If you had a baby, you didn't have you had that life insurance policy. Now you want to make sure you can add these kids into your policy or add them as a beneficiary, and where you can take advantage of that. So don't hesitate to look into it or add your child to it as a beneficiary. Or take out some people that you've been wanting to take out. You never seem to have a good or legitimate reason why and how you could take them out. So that would be a good reason. And let's say the other big one is you purchase your home. You just got a new home. You had your car insurance. Now, that is a huge incentive for people who just bought a home for car insurance. So when you have your home, the insurance company realized that, oh, now he or she's more responsible. Let me credit you. Let me incentivize you for having or taking such huge steps, for taking an enormous responsibility toward protecting or securing financial futures. Now they want your business more because there's more coming. Okay, so new homeowners, yes, they love you at this point more. And of course, the other one is you have a new job. Certain job is riskier than others. Some are less riskier. Okay, and a different zip code is another option. If you move to another zip code, yes, your insurance becomes cheaper as well. Different zip code, different stroke, you know how it goes. So if insurance in Boca and insurance in West Palm Beach, their zip code is different, obviously your premiums are going to be different, okay? So definitely, if any one of these happen to you, you want to make sure that you do take advantage of it and don't be the victim. The other one, I think the 5th one now. Okay, the 5th one, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, I actually said okay, zip code. All right, the 6th one. If your credit score went high, let's say when you had gotten your insurance premium, your credit score was like on the 500s. Now it went up to 700. You want to reconsider having yourself get recorded. That's gonna reduce your premium drastically because it shows that you are more responsible. The last one, before we take a break, is what? Home improvement. I think I spoke to that about the last one. For your home, when you do home improvement to your home, you add an impact window, brand new roof. That really gonna bring your insurance down. And if you have alarm system installed into your home, that's gonna, of course, reduce your insurance premium. Don't say you have it, and when we ask you for it, you don't have it. You have to have it because they will check. They will contact and request that declaration page from the insurance company or the alarm company in order for them to verify if that insurance premium is legit. So, without any further ado, we'll take a break now and we'll come back to something that I know is going to affect a couple of thousand of you guys on the Florida section, about 3 companies that's going out of business. That's what we're going to talk about when you guys can come back, and we'll take a quick break. Be right back.
Need life insurance? Then contact our professional and friendly team to learn more about our range of custom and tailored services designed to suit your exact needs. Every one of our professionals have acquired years of experience, which ensures you get the very best. Our experienced staff are waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions that you may have on how we can meet your needs. Just ask for a consultation and let us prove our commitment to you, as we promise to maintain the highest level of quality and commitment. Your satisfaction is our prime concern. So please don't hesitate to get in contact with us and let us show you all the great options we have.
Again, thank you guys. I'm sorry I was off for a minute. I'm back, and today it's sad to have this bad announcement, but for those of you, it's best to be informed than not to be informed. So these 3 companies that's going slowly, that's gonna go out of business. When the pandemic started, a lot of insurance companies stopped writing a lot of insurance home insurance toward clients in West Palm Beach, which was where we're located, and up to Palm Bay area and Fort Lauderdale and Miami. So we have a lot of companies that stopped writing insurance. So to make matters worse, there's a couple of companies I learned this morning while I was going through skinning through the news, and I find out there's 3 companies that's going to drop roughly about 50,000 homeowners policy within the next year to come. So, but little did we know, a lot of us doesn't know about it yet. They haven't informed you guys yet, but letters are gonna come out pretty soon because they have to inform you guys to let you guys know what's gonna happen. So one of the company is Gulfstream's Property Casualty Insurance. These people have about 20,000 insurance policy for homeowner, which cancellation will start effectively June 28th. So it hasn't started yet, but I spotted that it stated that about 20,000 worth of homeowners insurance premium are gonna start. The cancellation process started on June 28th. The second one is Universal Insurance Company of North America. That's another company. And this particular one is gonna start in June 29th. And they hold about 13,000 policy that's scheduled to cancel in the months to come. Not all of them will cancel. I wouldn't say all of them are canceling on the spot, but gradually they'll start canceling them. And the third one is Universal Insurance. I'm sorry, I just said that. North Fidelity Insurance. That one holds about 19,600. North Fidelity. which schedule to cancel over the period of the next 14 months. That's what the article stated. It's not mine say, they stated themselves. So the reason I'm telling you guys this, since I'm in the insurance business, I know how frustrated it could be for you guys that had these particular companies for years and now they're going out of business. You have to go about finding another carriers. Sometimes it's bad because it's an inconvenience for some of us. Sometimes it's good because some of you guys that was paying a cheaper higher premium have an opportunity or have an awakening to pay something less. But the reason I'm giving that warning is because insurance premium, homeowners insurance premium hasn't been going down. It's been going up and up and up and up non-stop. And the bad part is a lot of the company that used to write insurance are not writing for certain areas. So the competition is actually less compared to where it was. So you're gonna find the difficulties of finding insurance. I'm sorry to tell you that because I'm having it with a lot of my clients, although I do have a lot of carriers. So keep that in mind. You have a chances of paying a higher premium, almost guaranteed. So if this is one of you, if you receive a letter, you don't need to panic. We have our numbers are now listed on the screen. You can call us at 561-290-4661. We'll be happy to look into it to see if we can match it or get you a policy if need be. Again, remember, at Aquin Financial Services, all we do is to protect your most valuable assets. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you, and may God bless. Have a great day.